Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is exciting because they seem to be hiring within the United States with no state restrictions. They are looking to hire very, very fast, so this is not one that is going to drag on the hiring process forever and leave you wondering. They pay decent. And they don't require a lot of experience at all. If you're interested in applying, the links are always in the YouTube description box below. And of course, if you find this job lead helpful or any other thing that I share helpful, please thumbs up like this video. That gives me direct feedback that it is being helpful. And please share with your friends and family so we can all live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. But today's work from home job lead, it is in the customer service field, but the Arizona Bank and Trust is hiring a customer care representative. Now, they are looking for someone to specifically work the shift of 12:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you live outside that time zone, you need to convert your hours to that time zone to see if that'll work with you. But it is remote within the United States. They do not list any state restrictions. They are looking to have someone start by January 30th of 2023. So that is only 2 weeks away. So they will be getting those applications in, calling you back for interviews, doing all of that very, very quickly. But they are looking for someone to respond to both internal and external customer inquiries through a variety of mediums such as email, chat, telephone, in a courteous and timely manner. You'll assist with internal and external customers in troubleshooting, recommending possible solutions, and determining when to escalate their problem to management. You'll accurately process orders, forms, applications, and requests submitted within the SLA timeframe. You'll complete customer contact logs, logging all the things that you do and talk about in the system. And of course, you'll assist them with all their banking deposit product inquiries, including checking, savings, CD, internet banking, debit cards, mobile bankings, apps, all of those things. Now, they do require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree, and they only require 6 to 12 months of customer service experience. So you can get in with only 6 months of customer service experience, and think transferable skills. You do not have to have 6 months customer service phone work. Customer service can be things like babysitting or retail cashier or waiting tables, anything where you have served another person. They do want somebody who knows how to use Microsoft Office and somebody who has the ability to understand banking, including ATM, debit cards, bill pay, that kind of thing, which we should all know and understand. Most of us probably use that ourselves on a personal level on a daily basis. Now, this is a full-time 40-hour per week job, and they are paying $17 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.